gardens take good timing. Knowing when to plant, when to fertilise and when to prune are all important. But another really crucial thing is knowing when to water. And what can help you with that is a timer. Now, I see lots of people out on a nice summer's evening watering the garden. And whilst that might be therapeutic for you, it's not that great for your plants and your lawn. What actually happens is mixing water with some warm air at night is a breeding ground for fungicides and pests. The best time to be watering is early in the morning. And the most convenient way to get your early morning watering done is with a timer like this one. This one here's got all the features you need to look after most gardens. If you've got a larger area, there's a timer like this one that's got dual outlets here, which will give you a little bit more flexibility and a little bit more control. Or another option again is this solar panelled one here. These are great if you've got a holiday house and you can't always get there to change the batteries. Either way, guys, gardens are about timing. For me, I'm just going to enjoy my sleep in tomorrow, while I know that the timer's watering the garden for me.